An unlikely hero, Almond's blizzard rescue. The blizzard's icy wrath blanketed the world in white. Beneath the snow, a fragile fox lay motionless, fighting for its last breath. Enter Almond, a golden retriever guided by an unshakable instinct. His sharp nose caught the faintest scent of desperation beneath the snow. Almond's paws dug furiously, snow flying as he uncovered the fox's frail body. Without hesitation, he wrapped himself around the shivering creature, sharing his warmth. Slowly, life returned, their eyes meeting in a moment of trust. Side by side, the unlikely duo braved the storm. Through grit and courage, they found shelter and hope. Let Almond's selfless act remind us, compassion knows no boundaries. Share this story and inspire kindness everywhere.